Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Honda 125 2025 performance. Introducing the Honda 125 2025, a masterpiece of engineering that redefines what it means to ride. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of freedom, performance, and timeless style crafted for the modern rider. From the moment you see it, the Honda 125 commands attention. Its bold, aggressive design is sharper than ever, featuring sleek aerodynamic lines that flow seamlessly from front to back. The dynamic bodywork, combined with an eye-catching paint job and premium detailing, gives the bike an unmistakable presence on the road. Every curve, every edge is crafted with precision, showcasing Honda's commitment to innovation and quality. The new LED headlamp not only adds to its striking look but also enhances visibility like never before. Bright and efficient, it cuts through the darkest nights, illuminating the road ahead with crystal clarity. The sleek LED indicators blend perfectly with the bike's design, while the compact taillight offers a sharp, modern finish. The attention to detail is incredible, from the aggressive front fender to the perfectly sculpted fuel tank, designed to give the rider both comfort and control. The metallic finish gleams under the light, reflecting not just the environment but the spirit of adventure that comes with every ride. At the heart of the Honda 125 2025 lies its newly refined engine, a powerhouse that blends efficiency with performance. The advanced four-stroke engine delivers smooth acceleration, responsive throttle control, and impressive torque, giving you the power you need when you need it most. Whether you're zipping through busy city streets or cruising down the open highway, the Honda 125 responds with precision and ease. Its fuel injection technology ensures optimal fuel combustion, improving efficiency while reducing emissions. This means not only do you get better mileage, but you also contribute to a cleaner environment. The engine is quieter, more refined, yet retains the raw spirit that riders love. Riding the Honda 125 2025 feels like second nature. The ergonomics have been thoughtfully designed to provide maximum comfort, whether you're on a short commute or a long road trip. The seat is plush yet supportive, designed to reduce fatigue even after hours of riding. The handlebar position offers an upright, relaxed stance, reducing strain on your wrists and back while giving you complete control over the bike. The footpeg placement is optimized for natural leg positioning, ensuring a comfortable ride for both the rider and passenger. The suspension system has been upgraded with advanced telescopic front forks and a robust rear shock absorber, offering a smooth, stable ride over all types of terrain. The digital instrument cluster is futuristic and functional, providing all the information you need at a glance. It displays your speed, fuel level, trip meter, and more with a bright, easy-to-read interface that adjusts to lighting conditions automatically. The intuitive controls on the handlebars ensure that everything you need is within reach, allowing you to stay focused on the road. From the responsive throttle to the smooth gear shifts, every aspect of the Honda 125 2025 is designed to make your ride as seamless as possible. Safety is a top priority, and Honda has equipped the 125 2025 with advanced braking technology. The front disc brake provides exceptional stopping power, while the rear drum brake complements it with smooth, controlled deceleration. The bike's tires have been upgraded with a new tread pattern, offering superior grip and stability on both wet and dry surfaces. This combination ensures that you have full control in all riding conditions, whether you're navigating sharp corners, sudden stops, or slippery roads. The frame is built from high-tensile steel, providing a strong yet lightweight structure that enhances both safety and performance. Fuel efficiency has always been a hallmark of Honda's engineering, and the 125 2025 takes it to the next level. The bike's improved combustion system, coupled with its lightweight frame, means you can go further on every tank of fuel. This makes it the perfect choice for daily commuters who need reliability without frequent refueling stops. The eco-friendly engine design also reduces carbon emissions, making the Honda 125 2025 not just economical but environmentally responsible. It's a bike that's built for the future, combining performance with sustainability in perfect harmony. Durability is another area where the Honda 125 2025 excels. Built with high-quality materials and designed to withstand the toughest conditions, this bike is made to last. The corrosion-resistant frame and premium paintwork protect against the elements, ensuring that your bike looks as good as new even after years of use. The engine components are designed for longevity, with minimal maintenance required to keep them running smoothly. Honda's legendary reliability means you can count on your bike to perform at its best, mile after mile, year after year. The riding experience goes beyond just the mechanics. The Honda 125 2025 is about the feeling you get every time you twist the throttle, the freedom of the open road, and the thrill of adventure. It's about early morning rides when the world is quiet, and you feel like the road belongs to you. It's about late-night cruises under the city lights, the engine's hum echoing through the empty streets. It's about spontaneous road trips with friends, discovering new places, and creating memories that last a lifetime. The Honda 125 2025 isn't just a bike, it's a part of your journey, a companion that's always ready to go wherever life takes you. Customization is key for many riders, and the Honda 125 2025 offers a wide range of options to make your bike truly yours. Choose from a variety of bold color schemes and graphic designs that reflect your style. Add accessories like custom mirrors, performance exhausts, luggage racks, and more to enhance both the look and functionality of your bike. Honda's genuine parts and accessories ensure that you maintain the quality and integrity of your motorcycle while giving it a personal touch. Whether you prefer a sleek, minimalist look or something bold and eye-catching, the Honda 125 2025 can be tailored to suit your taste. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to Honda's user-friendly design. The engine is easy to access, with clear service points for oil changes, filter replacements, and routine checks. The durable components mean less frequent repairs, saving you time and money in the long run. Honda's extensive service network ensures that you're never far from professional support, whether you need regular maintenance or emergency repairs. Owning a Honda 125 2025 is about peace of mind, knowing that your bike is reliable, easy to maintain, and backed by a brand you can trust. When you ride the Honda 125 2025, you're part of a global community of passionate riders who share a love for the open road. You're joining a legacy that spans generations, built on a foundation of innovation, performance, and trust. Honda has been at the forefront of motorcycle engineering for decades, and the 125 2025 is the latest evolution of that legacy. It's a bike that honors the past while embracing the future, combining classic design elements with cutting-edge technology. The sound of the engine, the feel of the throttle, the wind against your face, these are the sensations that define the riding experience. The Honda 125 2025 amplifies these feelings with every detail meticulously designed to enhance your connection to the road. The exhaust note is rich and satisfying, giving the bike a distinct character without being overwhelming. The smoothness of the ride, the precision of the handling, and the effortless acceleration all come together to create a motorcycle that feels alive beneath you. The Honda 125 2025 isn't just about performance, it's about versatility. It's equally at home in the city, where its nimble handling and compact size make it perfect for weaving through traffic, as it is on the open highway, where its powerful engine and stable ride let you cruise comfortably at higher speeds. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend explorer, or a first-time rider, the Honda 125 2025 adapts to your needs, offering a riding experience that's both thrilling and practical. Riding isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle. It's the freedom to go wherever you want, whenever you want. It's the sense of adventure that comes with discovering new roads, meeting new people, and experiencing life from a different perspective. The Honda 125 2025 is designed for those who live to ride, who see every journey as an opportunity for adventure. It's for the dreamers, the explorers, the rebels, and the free spirits who refuse to be confined by four walls and traffic jams. When you choose the Honda 125 2025, you're not just buying a motorcycle, you're making a statement. You're choosing quality, reliability, and performance. You're investing in a machine that's built to last, designed to inspire, and engineered to deliver an unmatched riding experience. The Honda 125 2025 is more than just a bike, it's a symbol of who you are and what you stand for. It's a reflection of your passion, your spirit, and your desire to live life on your own terms. Imagine the thrill of starting your day with the roar of the engine, the road stretching out before you, and the promise of adventure waiting just around the corner. Picture the sunsets you'll chase, the friends you'll meet, and the memories you'll create, all with the Honda 125 2025 by your side. This isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's about the journey, the experiences, and the freedom that comes with every ride. The Honda 125 2025 is ready for you. Ready to take you places you've never been, to help you create stories you'll never forget, and to be a part of every moment that matters. So gear up, start the engine, and let the road be your guide. With the Honda 125-2025, every ride is an adventure waiting to happen. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.